Hi everyone, I'm Belinda Rueffer. I'm VP of Marketing at Fleetio. I joined the fleet industry about a decade ago when I signed on with one of the industry's first fleet telematics pioneers. The changes that I've seen in the fleet industry, the driver and technician shortage. It's amazing that as our older workforce is retiring out, it's becoming increasingly difficult to recruit the younger generation into transportation and trades. Definitely a hotter regulatory climate. We've passed some significant legislation that impacts fleets, things like the ELD mandate, the Drug and Alcohol Clearinghouse. There are a bunch of others, and some say that that's actually tied to the driver and technician shortage, in that those regulations make our industry maybe less attractive to recruiting that younger generation in. The second thing that comes to mind is when you have a hard time finding parts to repair your vehicles, or in some cases even have difficulty placing orders for new vehicles, it makes it even more important to extend the life of the vehicles you have through preventive maintenance and reducing downtime. It wasn't that long ago when only the mega fleets really had access to advanced technology. They had the resources to have dedicated IT teams, expensive servers, things like that, in order to take advantage of some of the advanced technologies. But more and more over the years, we've moved more towards software as a service. So now fleets of every size get access to those same great benefits that was once really just reserved to the largest fleets in our industry. Especially for women, I would say that today is a great time to enter the fleet industry. It's great that we have a bunch of wonderful organizations like Women in Trucking and even ATA Technology and Maintenance Council, who make it part of their mission to recruit women into our industry, from drivers to technicians all the way up to senior leadership. So now is the best possible time, I think, for women especially to get into this industry. If I had to do my career again in the fleet industry, I think I'd get into fleet even quicker than I did. It's an amazing industry. It's one of those things where you don't think about fleet until you're in it. And then when you do, everywhere that you look, you see a business that is operating some kind of fleet in some form of fashion. The people who make it up are some of the brightest, most honest individuals and hardworking that I think that I've ever worked with. And so if I had it all to do differently, I would say dive into fleet head first.